Hello!
We are students of the State Educational Establishment Matveyevsky Educational Pedagogical Complex Kindergarten High School, Volkovysk District, Grodno region. The proverb says it's very interested to know what is unknown.
Do you know who is the crocodile head?
Do you know who uses reflective elements to not get in accident?
Do you know what kind of tree is planted near houses so the house never gets struck by lightning?
Do you know who flies the distance from the Earth to the Moon during summer?
You can get answers many questions when we visit our Museum of Nature and Beekeeping.
Welcome to our place!
The Museum of Nature and Beekeeping in the school was founded on the 30th of December in 2016. There are 5 exhibitions in it. Ecosystems of Volkovysk district, Water World of River Khoruzhovka, especially protected natural territory, Castle Forest, the Red Book, and the mysterious world of bees.
Administratively, Volkovysk district is divided into town of Volkovysk, 2 urban settlements, Krasnoselsky and Ros, 13 agro-towns, and 176 villages. The territory of Volkovysk district is 1,192 square kilometers. The average annual temperature is plus 7.2 degrees of Celsius. The average annual precipitation is 632 millimeters. The prevailing wind direction is west.
The total area of forests is 27,297 hectares. It is about 14%. Forests are mainly coniferous and spruce. Pine forests with an admixture of spruce, hornbeam and oak are common. On the territory of Volkovysk district there are specially protected natural areas. The soils are mainly soft podzolic, swampy in places, floodplain in the river valleys, and soft carbonate in the northwest. The wetlands of Volkovysk district are the lowest in the country, only 1.2%.
There are no long or middle-sized rivers in our district. The river network is represented by 17 small rivers such as the Ros, the Nitupa, the Zilvyanka, the Khoruzhovka, the Veritseyka, the Volpyanka, the Yasinovitsa, the Volkovaya. The Khoruzhovka is a river in Volkovysk and Svislach districts. The length of it is 24 kilometers. It begins between the villages of Romanovka and Dragichany. The Khoruzhovka flows into the Ros near the village of Mikhailo, Svislach district. Instead of last 4 kilometers, a canal was dug, so the river could freely carry its water into the Ros. The flora and fauna of the Khoruzhovka is rich and various. Here you can catch pikes like this and meet the owner of the river. It is a beaver. We learned many interesting facts about wild animals and plants of our native place. We will be happy to tell you about them if you come to our museum.
On the territory of Volkovysk district there are 2 specially protected natural areas. The Republican Biological Reserve Castle Forest, the Monument of Republican Significance Rose Outcrop, and the Ancient Oak. There are 45 places of wild plants growing in 8 habitats of wild animals, listed in the Red Book of the Republic of Belarus. Our museum has herbarium of medicinal and endangered plants of our district. We can offer our visitors the fragrant herbal tea.
Now I invite you into the forest. Among the trees we are especially fond of the birches, because they give us delicious juice. Our ancestors noticed that a birch tree is never struck by lightning, so they were planting a birch tree near their houses to protect them. In the forest you can also see other trees. We can tell you a lot of interesting stories about them. What animals are involved into the production of paper? They are elks. These animals eat mostly birch, and it is known to be very rich in cellulose. That's why people decided to produce paper from elk dung in 1997. This paper is still being produced in Sweden. How do the little busy bee improve its shining hour and gather honey all the day from every shining flower? The mysterious world of bees is represented by 4 hives, which have a venerable age of 100 years. They were given to the museum by hereditary beekeepers from nearby villages. You can see there an exhibition of samples of honey and bee products, beekeepers' photos, documents, and literature about beekeeping. During honey season, a strong family of bees are flying the distance between the Earth and the Moon. If you want to know more interesting facts about nature, come to our school museum or visit its virtual copy.
You are welcome!